Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I am Isay and I upload our travel vlogs every Tuesdays, and if you're interested also with makeup tutorials, I upload my vlogs every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest upload. So guys, are you ready for another adventure with us? So please fasten your seatbelt and keep watching. So guys, we are here at Quebec City together with our handsome pilot. We are gonna go for an adventure, a first time experience to ride in a plane. This is like a package where you can choose. There's a family package where a family of 3 you can fly with a plane, or if you would like, there's also a package selection that you can also drive, or you'll be the one who's gonna drive the plane together with a co-pilot. So my 2 friends here are gonna do the driving, and while me and my family we're just gonna do the plane ride. So I hope you enjoy the view, and I hope you enjoy the video. First of all, before you go with the ride, there is a short orientation that it will be held in their office, just instructing you the rules and regulations of flying, and like just a minor details that we should know about while we are flying. So we have a co-pilot here who's gonna help us and guide us, and the capacity of the plane is 4 person, so we are just getting ready to fly the plane, and we are just so excited to film this experience. This was a very amazing experience for me and my family, especially my son. It's his first time and our first time too, so he's so lucky to experience it in his young age, and I hope he's gonna remember this one. And yeah, we're just creating memories with my family and friends. It's just so amazing. The view is so amazing and mesmerizing on top, and we wish that this will just last the whole day flying, but it's just a one-way trip or an hour trip or flight where they're gonna fly you around the city of Quebec and Montreal.
생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I can 서툴렀던 그래서 더 생각나나 봐 자꾸 뒤척이게 돼 준비하지 못한 이별이라 그랬었나 봐 수요일 밤이 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤이 기억나 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 기억나지 않게 yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. I can't control hey, 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 yeah. I miss you baby hey, hey, yeah. 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 기억나지 않게
overall experience and just amazing, and we highly guarantee if you go to Montreal or Quebec, try this activity and you'll surely enjoy with your family. The view is so spectacular.
났나 봐 Sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey hey yeah yeah I can't control Hey hey yeah yeah I miss you baby Hey hey yeah yeah 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤
So what do you think of the video, guys? I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video and check on my channel for more travel vlogs that you might consider. And yeah, I'll see you on my next travel vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.